So for this problem, we're going to be solving x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So since we have 4 terms in here, we're going to go ahead and factor by grouping. So I'm going to go ahead and group these 2 terms together and these 2 terms together. And we'll go ahead and factor out what they have in common. So for this first one, I'm going to go ahead and factor out an x squared. And so we'll be left with an x plus 1 on the inside. And then for this next one, I'm going to go ahead and factor out a negative 1. And again, we'll be left with an x plus 1 on the inside. All of that equal to 0. I have this x plus 1 in common on both sides, so I'll go ahead and factor that out. We'll have x plus 1, and then we'll go ahead and group x squared and negative 1 together to get x squared minus 1 equal to 0. So now we're going to want to set both of these equal to 0. But again, I notice that I can go ahead and factor down x squared minus 1 even further. So I'll go ahead and rewrite this x plus 1 real quick, and then factor x squared minus 1 down to x plus 1, x minus 1, all of that equal to 0. So now I'll go ahead and set each of these individually equal to 0. So we'll get x plus 1 equals to 0, x plus 1 equals 0 again, and then x minus 1 equals 0. Go ahead and solve these down. We'll get x equals negative 1, x equals negative 1 again, and x equals positive 1. So in this case, we have 2 roots at negative 1, but our answers are still going to be negative 1 and positive 1.